Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and I am super excited to announce that Buy Now, Pay Later is officially supported on order forms and payment links. Before, it was only really supported on e-commerce stores, and now we have it on order forms and payment links. Let me show you exactly how it works. So when we say order forms, we're referring to things like sites and funnels that have a 1 or 2 step order form element in them. For example, this is a site that has a 1-step order form right here. And as we can see, if we go to the bottom, we'll see right here, Klarna is available. That is the buy now, pay later method that is available for this account, where we put in email, full name, and then Klarna goes through the rest of that to complete the buy now, pay later process. So that is it on an order form. And then also we have the ability to use this on payment links. So if you go to payment links, where you can copy any of the payment links that you have available, you'll head to your custom payment link and you can see all of the different buy now, pay later features that you have enabled. So for this product at this price, we have Afterpay and Klarna. Keep in mind, we have both of these set up within Stripe. If you don't know how to get there, go to Stripe, payment methods, scroll down, and you can enable all the different buy now, pay later features that Stripe has to offer. And as long as you are a supported business in their eyes, according to your business and tax codes and things like that. So taking one last look at these, keep in mind for order forms, whenever you select a buy now, pay later feature, it will show you the prices for each one of those payments after you go through the ordering steps and after the customer inputs all their data. And for payment links that are on high level specifically, you'll be able to see the prices of those offers from either Afterpay, Klarna, or whatever buy now, pay later agencies you are using. So you can see for Afterpay, for this price, we have different offers for monthly payments for 6, 12, and 4 months. We also have them from Klarna for 4 interest-free payments of that amount. So it's really cool how you can show your customers exactly what that looks like right within the payment link. And I'm really glad that High Level made this look as good as it does. Buy now, pay later is a super awesome feature that I think most of the industry is underutilizing, and High Level gives us all the functionality to use this right within our businesses. So I'm super excited to use this more within payment links and order forms. If you have any questions about how it works, leave a comment. And as always, thank you for watching.